Final Assignment by Krishan Roberts. St. Edward High School. St. Edward High School is a Catholic school in the Holy Cross tradition. It educates the hearts and delivers the minds of a diverse group of young men to really just act with courage as men of hope and to transform the world. The pride of Eagles athletics is built on a long-standing tradition of championships. There's a great foundation of coaches while student athletes strive for excellence academically and in athletics. For a number of students at St. Edward High School, athletes are able to find many opportunities beyond high school at colleges and top universities around the world. Today I'll be focusing on facility upgrades. St. Ed's is in need of a new football stadium, a gymnasium, and a weight room. Starting off with the football field. St. Ed's does not play any home games at their home football field, which is Brother James Everett CSC Stadium. St. Ed's is in need of a new entrance, new stands, and updated concessions. At St. Ed's, the concessions are nowhere to be found, the stands hold less than 500 people, and the entrance is nowhere, there's no entrance in the St. Edward's home field at the school. It's a big gate that surrounds, and there's not much that we could do with it besides host freshman football games and JV games on Saturdays. But on varsity games, the games are too big to be held at the home stadium. The gym is in need of new flooring and a scoreboard. These things will build the tradition of the St. Edward basketball team in a whole. Once you walk in the gym, you see all state championships won by all teams, and that is a statement and a staple of the St. Edward basketball gym. So I believe with a new scoreboard and new floors that will take off our gym even more and build our athletics department. The weight room is in need of pretty much everything: dumbbells, plates, and new wall paint just to freshen up the thing. At St. Ed's, the weight room is referred to as the dungeon, which means, all work gets done. We build character in the weight room. But to be a great athletic department, that means that you have to be great in all sources. So a new weight room is something that should be put into place very soon. The importance for facilities is that the St. Edward campus has not had any facility updates in the past 10 years. And this past year, they just agreed to a Nike Elite sponsorship, and that will mean the facilities have to get upgraded. Having a championship culture is a representation of the entire athletics department, not just performance. So I think that everything has to add up, starting from the record, the coaches, the facilities, the jerseys, equipment. Everything has to have the same amount of time put into it for it to be successful. What I plan to do about it is to build a home football stadium for St. Ed's. I think with a home football stadium, St. Ed's opens up a new variety of opportunities with hosting different things on the stadium, just building different types of revenue that comes from having your own football field, and of course, just playing home football games and home just varsity events would be a plus to the students at St. Ed and just the whole St. Edward community. An upgrade to the gymnasium would bring another facelift to the athletic department where all teams are being treated equally and getting the same types of resources. So an upgraded gym and scoreboard would impact the basketball community as well. And renovating the weight room would really just work for all athletes and all students to get the same amount of resources to get to their peak performance while they're in high school. My plan implications is creating a budget, and I think now that I've implemented the facilities onto the campus, this makes the school more attractive for student athletes to apply and come be at St. Ed's just to, see what it's like to be at a college preparatory school in academics and athletics. And for staff of students, they will all benefit from the advancements in our athletic department. There's nothing wrong with getting better. If you're not getting better every day, you're getting worse. There's a quote out there that was once said. So if you see construction on the site, that means that they're trying to reach different type of commitment to their school to make sure that we're getting the best out of it. So that would be my plan today. And just evaluating the success, enrollment on sports teams would be Do I see more kids wanting to participate in sports now that we have these new equipments in? And I think that would really impact what type of things our sports teams can do and what they can be like. And like I said before, the revenue brought in from the new stadium, that would be new stands, new concessions, a whole new St. Edward football. This is no longer traveling to a different high school. This is right in the backyard, right off Lakewood, St. Edward High School. Parking will be fixed. Having a great grand entrance with the E on it would be something for the athletic department to seek out. And the overall growth of the athletic department. If this happens, our growth is beyond what we can think. We just signed a new deal with Nike. If we get new stadium, new courts, our athletics could take off to really being the most winningest sports school in Ohio history. I think that it could do those types of things if we have those additions. So thank you for listening, and here are my references. Have a good day.